Hey everybody, back with another sound test. Now, if you're here just for the sound test, please continue listening. If you're here for what happens after the sound test, where I talk about what's going to happen with my channel going forward and just general upcoming projects, skip to after the sound test. Or you can watch the video all the way through. No matter what, appreciate everybody for watching, and here's the video. So, what do I mean about what's going to happen to my channel going forward? Well, I'm actually super surprised, and it's something that I never thought that would be an actual opportunity for me. But it turns out that I've been given an opportunity to start reviewing keyboard-related items from a specific vendor. I won't say who the vendor is until everything is finalized, but just know that going forward, I'm going to add a new category of videos, which are review videos, in addition to the guides and tips and tricks videos and the simple sound test videos, as well as some miscellaneous keyboard related videos. In these review videos, I'm going to do my best to be as unbiased as possible, although obviously I'm getting the item for free, so that's going to kind of negate being unbiased. However, I do have a plan to take that factor out of my videos as much as possible. Basically, when this vendor sends me an item, I'm gonna buy the same exact item and I'm either gonna donate it or give it away somehow, either to a good charity or a good cause in real life or donate it some other way. That way, I'm spending my actual money, even though the vendor will send me the first thing for free. I'm buying an exact replica with my money, thereby negating any sort of I got this for free type of bias. And also, I'm going to make sure to put all disclaimers, both verbally and in written forms, in the descriptions of my videos for these review videos. That being said, some upcoming videos that are going out is the updated ABS keycap comparison video, the updated Logitech G710 Plus rebuild, and some other simple sound tests here and there. As always, I appreciate you guys and gals so much for all your views and all your support. I don't think I would have been able to have this opportunity without your views and without all of the love and support that you've all given me throughout the months and the years. So here's to a new chapter in this channel where we add this review category, and let's see what happens. As always, thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.